Guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G53, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, you have to open your phone dealer and enter keypad. And let's start with the first code, the short one, which is *pound or £6. And here you've got device information, so if you look for email number or serial number, this is the quickest way to reach both of them. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use here would display the calendar info. So if you're curious, just enter *pound, #225, #*. And here you've got it. So all calendars connected with your device and all its events will be displayed right here. This is it. Let me go back. And another code that you can use here, actually the last one that I would like to share with you today, is *pound, #426, #*. And as you can see, this is the FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. And if you wish to get some more info, click on more icon and enroll advanced view. And that's it. That will be all. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.